Example 7. Given that angle 1 is congruent to angle 6, prove that angle 7 is congruent to angle 4. So let's set this up. We have our work. We have our reasons. Number 1 is our given. So our given is that angle 1 is congruent to angle 6. So on our diagram, here's angle 1, here's angle 6. And somehow I have to prove that angle 7 is congruent to angle 4. So the first thing I'm going to try to consider here is how do I bring either 7 or 4 into the proof? So if I kind of start over here, and I'm looking at angle 1, well, angle 1 is vertical angle 7. So the next thing I'm going to say is, well, then angle 1 is congruent to angle 7. And the reason I know that is because of the vertical angle theorem. Now remember, after you make two statements, you have to connect them. So I'm going to go back and look at what I just kind of showed, or what I just kind of did. So if angle 1 is congruent to angle 6, and angle 1 is also congruent to angle 7, then I know that angle 6 is congruent to angle 7, which is those two right there. Okay, so 3, that is again the transitive property. Step 4. Well, so far I have angles 1, 6, and 7 in my proof. But I still need angle 4 somehow. So if I go and I look at angle 4 is made between those two lines. And angle 4 sits across from angle 6, who is also made between the red lines. So I know that angle 4 is congruent to angle 6 because they're vertical angles. Now, once again, we have two statements, and we're going to connect them. So, from statement 3 to 4, if angle 6 is equal to angle 7, and angle 6 is also equal to angle 4, then what do I know about 7 and 4? Well, then I can say angle 7 is congruent to angle 4, and that is your transitive property. And then if we take a look at number 5, or step 5, we have angle 7 is congruent to angle 4, which is exactly what we're trying to prove.